Well, so today my topic is web hosting. What is Magneto Web hosting? Let's start. Web hosting explain detail in simple words within 20 lines. So web hosting is like a renting a space on the internet to store the display your website. When you create a website, all the files, image and content need to be stored somewhere so that people can access it. Web hosting companies provide you with server which are powerful computer where you can store your website files. So these servers are connected to the internet and have high speed connection, allowing your website to be available to anyone who want to visit it. When someone types your website address into their browser, their computer connect to the server where your website is hosting and retrieves the files, displaying them on their screen. So web hosting companies also take care of the technical aspects such as server maintenance, security and backups to ensure your website is accessible and protected. So they offer a different hosting plan to meet your various needs and budgets, ranging from shared hosting where multiple websites share a servers to dedicated hosting where you have a servers exclusively for your website. So in this summary, web hosting is like renting a storage space on the internet where your website files are stored in. It all allows people to access your website and ensure it is available and secure. So I will repeat again what is the web hosting and how we work at web hosting and other. What is the Magneto Web hosting? So Magneto Web hosting is like a renting a space on the internet to store or display your website. When you create website, all the files, image and the content need to be stored somewhere so that people can be access it. Web hosting companies provide you with servers which are powerful computers where you can store your website files. So their servers are connected to the internet and have high speed connection, allowing your website to be available to anyone who want to visit. So when someone types your website address into their browser, their computer connect to the server where your website is hosted, the retrieves the files, displaying them on their screen. So web hosting companies also take care of other technical aspects such as server maintenance, security and backups to ensure your website is accessible and protected. They offer different hosting plans to meet various needs and budget. So ranging from shared hosting where multiple website shared a service or to dedicated hosting where you have a server exclusively for your website. So there are some points which are very important for understanding a web hosting. What is web hosting, how to work on web hosting?